Okay, this is a how benefit plant. I'm gonna show you how to make super green juice with that super peppermint right here. I'm gonna take this one right here. Just take that one right here. I'm gonna take one more. That one right there. Super mint green juice. Okay, my super green juice gonna be cucumber and celery and super peppermint right here. I just picked up from my garden from my mom called tiger ear leaf. This is taste just like the mint. It's super peppermint. I'm gonna show you how to make this is green juice. Okay, now let's go start it. Okay, first I'm gonna go ahead and cut the cucumber. Just I don't have to peel off because it's all the benefits in the green right here, in the dark green right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this piece by piece. Cut small piece, easy to blend it. Okay. All right, this is done. Okay, second gonna be celery. Cut this. All right, this is done. Okay, I'm gonna add a panda. You see guys, they say bai tơi, but the English say panda leaf. So I bought this from Frozen, come from Thailand. And this is benefit, you know, panda good for everything. I'm gonna add on in there too. Okay, I take it out. The panda leaf look like this. Let's go ahead clean it. And I'm gonna show you how to make this. Okay, I'm gonna cut panda. This is very powerful. Smells so good, guys. Okay, let's go start it. First, I'm gonna go ahead and put a panda in here, panda leaf. Benefits, panda leaf, and second gonna be cucumber in here, and third gonna be mint, peppermint right here. Fourth gonna be celery. Oh, you guys, you don't believe this is gonna be good. Okay, spring water. Just go ahead and add the spring water. More spring water. Okay, let's go and blend it. This juice is super good. Okay, this is a filter right here. It's coffee filter. It's old-fashioned way. You can go to Thai market and to buy this one only $3.99. You can use over and over again and again. This is the best one I used so far. Okay, let's go blend it. Let's go filter. Here come juice, filter. See that? The dark green, beautiful guys. Healthy dark green, super juice. And you can make that in the refrigerator and drink that. Okay, this is second one. Go ahead, add the water. But I have a lot of vegetables, so let's just go ahead, get all of them out. You can drink, you can choose, you can drink it in the morning every day. You don't have to do it over again. Done. Okay, let's filter some more. Look at this. Look at all the benefits juice, guys. You make this one right here. You can for every morning. You don't have to do over and over, you know. Just make one time, and that's it. The filter coming out. See right here? I throw away. This is leftover. You don't want to drink that because you want to drink very clear, clean juice. Right here, just throw away. Okay, time to transform to glass serving right here. Okay, you see the foam like that, take it off. You don't want that, just take that out. Okay, foam like this. Here come clear drink, super dark green juice, super guy. You can make this and stay healthy and drink this. Is very easy. If you feel like to take care of yourself, just get up and do it. Okay, just like the way you're hungry. When you're hungry, just put in your mouth, put food in your mouth, and you feel good. And when you want it, just do the same thing. Make this with no time and put in the refrigerator and drink it. Make it feel good, and your body can be grow nice, beautiful skin. Okay, guys, you can make fun, fancy. Look at my champagne glass. Just fun and enjoy it. When you make the nice glass like that, oh my God, you want to drink cocktail. But this is cocktail for you the healthy way. Okay, cheers. Look at how beautiful is that.
All right.
Cheers. Tell me how I got all multi vegetable in there. You let me know what. I'm not gonna tell you, but you have to tell me, okay?
Definitely taste that celery with the cucumber. Got the tiger ear in there. The hint of the mint. This is very refreshing. This juice here with the celery and the cucumber and the mint, what they call in Lao, tiger ear.
Tiger ear. Super peppermint.
Oh man, this
Everything in
is,
here. And panda. The panda multi benefit in this juice. So easy, guy. You can do it. Okay, you can do it and put the good champagne glass like this and fancy, and you want to drink some more and more because it's fancy.
This is more.
Okay, toast again.
All right.
For your
Cheers.
health. Yeah, cheers.
To your health.
Your skin inside out. Make your skin beautiful. Okay, guys. So good. See that fancy glass? Make you want to drink some more. Alright, guys. If you love this video, thumbs up, subscribe. I will come up more ideas to show you how to stay healthy. And so easy with no time. Make it 4-5 minutes, get the thing done with no time. You want some more? Okay? Stay healthy. Make your beautiful grow. Make your skin beautiful and grow inside out. Beautiful.